Anyone following my blog or video channel ought to know by now that I'm a huge fan of beauty boxes as well as advent calendars. And today I'm very excited to show you a new beauty box that launched only in January, mid-January to be precise. It is entirely vegan and it is entirely cruelty-free. It ships worldwide for $2 or $2.5. One box is $24 per month if you're doing month to month. It is $22 if you're on a 3-month subscription, and it is $19.95 if you are on a 6-month subscription, and postage is $2.5 worldwide. This is the Kinder Beauty Box, and it is founded by Evanna Lynch, who played Luna Lovegood in Harry Potter, Daniela Monet, who is an actress, and Andrew Bernstein. So what this box promises is at least 3 full-sized products and some deluxe-sized products per month, with a total minimal worth of $65 per month, and that's almost 3 times what you pay for right there. So that's a great deal. And a portion of sales will go to support animal and environmental causes as well. So I'll tell you my expectations, what I wanted. I haven't opened the box yet, and why I bought this box and my experience with shopping for this box, and then unbox it very quickly. So I've been looking for a skincare-centric beauty box for a while now. I was on the Look Fantastic subscription, as you know. I had the No Make No Lie from Japan one as well, and they started sending out, funny things like cat-shaped cat paw-shaped massages and hair bands with ears sticking out and things like that, and I was a huge fan of all of that. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for proper skincare. So the DLF debacle was that while the Look Fantastic subscription treated me very well for a long time, their delivery partner DPD isn't very reliable, in the sense that they come and ask for extra payments, storage charges and handling charges and stuff like that upon delivery. So I'm not a fan of that. And as for, my lifestyle, I'm a whole food plant-based lifer. I've been plant-based for about 2 years now, 2.5 years now. I've been very, very strictly non-cheaty at all plant-based from last April. So I wouldn't call myself a vegan, because although I don't go to zoos or, use leather or that sort of thing, I'm not really sure, that, for instance, my household cleaning products are all vegan. So, and I'm not, I don't use fully vegan makeup either. So I wouldn't call myself vegan, plant-based definitely, which is also why this box appealed a lot to me. So those are the reasons I was interested in this box. And now for my experience, all went well. The only problem is that tracking is very wonky. FedEx is supposed to deliver your box, and the tracking actually says right now, a day after I got this box, that my box is currently in Brazil. Brazil, can you believe it? So it's not in Brazil, it's definitely in my hands right now. So tracking is very wonky. Despite that, the box took all of 10 days to arrive from the United States. That's not say about 7 working days, 10 days in all. And I did not have to pay any customs duty. This could vary depending on where you live, and different policies and that sort of thing. So don't take my word for it. Now, the other thing is that this is obviously a vegan box, and a problem was that, I've seen and tried other vegan boxes and cruelty-free boxes before, and ultimately they all end up becoming, random coffee scrubs and random essential oils mixed together in somebody's kitchen. That's what you end up receiving. So I was a bit worried, what happens here. Thankfully, after seeing the January spoilers, I decided to go right ahead and get this box, and I was not disappointed by the contents. Confession, I've seen spoilers on the internet, on their own blog, but I haven't opened the box yet, which is what I'm going to do now. So, I've opened the box, right, and there is what looks like a large letter, welcome letter. There's something else in it, hang on. So this is a nice little welcome letter. Dare I hope that there's Evanna Lynch's autograph in there somewhere. Ethical beauty curated with kindness, it says. This is the product card, right. So, my God, that is the product card, and it's huge. It's more of a product poster. So, all Kinder Beauty products are guaranteed to be 100% vegan and cruelty-free. A portion of all our sales will go towards benefiting our favorite animal rights and environmental causes. Right. Now, January 2019, welcome to the very first Kinder Beauty box. We're so happy to share this collection of products with you. Kinder Beauty is all about embracing self-love, treating ourselves and others with kindness and respect, and making the world a better place. That's why a portion of proceeds from the January box will benefit the Los Angeles County Animal Care Foundation. Also, our box is made from 100% recycled materials, marvelous, and is both recyclable and biodegradable. Even the ink on the box is an eco-conscious soy-based ink. My goodness. We look forward to hearing what you guys think. Right, so that's what the product card says. This is about a bonus product. They were sending out bonus products if you used a code. I forgot to use the code, but I reached out to them right after ordering saying, I know the code, this is the code, I forgot to add it. And customer care is brilliant. Andrew wrote right back to me directly saying, I'll take care of it for you. And I got the bonus product as well. Now, I have a code for my viewers. If you want a bonus product in your next box, it is the same bonus product until they run out. It's not a discount code, it is just a bonus product code. I shall add that in the description box below. It is basically Renu, R-E-N-U _ Kinder. That's my name. I mean, Kinder's not my name, obviously. Renu is my name. Apparently, it means atomic in some dead language or the other. My parents intended it to mean fundamental particle. Some people call it minuscule, but I prefer capable of destroying large cities if necessary. So, anyway, digressing here, let's look at what's inside the box. Now, this is the first spoiler that they had. I'll tell you the February spoiler in a minute after we look at all the products. This is Andalo Naturals Turmeric and C Enlightened Vitamin C Serum for brightening. Perfect. I'm a huge vitamin C junkie. I'm always on the lookout for my next big vitamin C as well. The Dr. Dennis Gross C plus collagen is my favorite vitamin C at the moment. Unfortunately, it costs £70 per bottle. Can you believe it? And it's 30 mils. So this is also 32 mils. And this one is supposed to be worth, what does the product card say? Give me a minute. This one is just 24.95. So, you know, I'd rather buy a vitamin C serum, 1 ounce obviously, for $25 than £70, you know. And it says here, fruit stem cell complex, turmeric, vitamin C and skin-friendly magnesium ascorbyl phosphate enzymatically support dermal vitality, targeting overexposed surface cells for a lighter, tighter and brighter looking appearance and a luminous complexion. I'm a huge fan of vitamin C, as I keep telling you. So, vitamin C junkie here rather. And the bottle is opaque, which is just, and it's a glass bottle. So not much by way of plastic, and I know the moment this is over, my dad will want it for his gardening. So recycling right there. So we'll be trying this out as soon as I'm done with my Dr. Dennis Gross serum, which is almost over actually. So I'll tell you how I get along with this one. And at first glance, there's nothing in here that could break me out. No shea butter, good. No mineral oil that I can see, good. No triethanolamine. And this is non-GMO and gluten-free, good. I mean, while I can't eat wheat, exposure to wheat gives me anaphylaxis. I'm not sure how far topical application of wheat is going to affect me. So anyway, I'm glad this is gluten-free, cruelty-free and certified vegan and nature 99% nature certified, made in the USA. Right, so that's the serum, first product, worth $24.95. Let's call it $25 and leave it there. The second product, let's do this in the order of the product card. The second product is an eyeshadow, also full size. So 2 full-size products so far. This is worth $22. This is the Inica Loose Mineral Eyeshadow. The shade that I got is called Burnt Sienna. I hope it is deep. Right, it is a dark eyeshadow. I'll just swatch that for you. I've tried Inica blushes and eyeliners and like what I've seen so far. I haven't tried any eyeshadows. Hang on, let's just open that. So I think this is a matte eyeshadow. No, it's not a matte eyeshadow. Marvelous. My goodness, I did not expect it to be this pretty. And I'll just swatch it fully, and I mean, nice thick swatch, and then show you what it looks like, and you'll be surprised. This, my friends, is duo cream. You weren't expecting that. I thought it was going to be matte. It's duo cream. Can you see the flecks of copper in there? This copper, this pink, this, I don't know, it's a beautiful eyeshadow. So that's the eyeshadow. Gorgeous piece of work there. Very, very shimmery, duochromy, gold flakes, pink flakes. There's grey in there. There's purple in there. There's copper in there. Marvelous. I haven't seen anything like it. Not in a loose eyeshadow, definitely not. Duochrome loose eyeshadow, a first for me. Now, the third product in here is a pencil eyeliner. It's brown, and the shade that I've got is Belgian chocolate. Please don't say the word chocolate to me. Chocolate, for some reason, gives me acne, even if it's dark, dairy-free, sugar-free chocolate, gives me acne. I ate about 2 or 3 bars of chocolate right before I was exposed to wheat. So we can't really tell if it was the hydrocolloid shot or the chocolate that gave me acne last week. So anyway, I'm supposed to avoid chocolate from now on, for all eternity, which is a huge pain. So using the word Belgian chocolate, the name Belgian chocolate for this shade, couldn't they just have called it old brown or something? So this is from Honeybee Gardens, Effortless Eyeliner in Belgian chocolate. Oh, we're not going to say that shade name anymore. We're just calling it Belgian brown, all right? And this is worth $8.99. Let's call it $9. Enhance and define the natural beauty of your eyes with confidence. The smooth formula won't drag or pull delicate skin. Glides on gently and fluidly from the moment you open it. Easy to apply for a perfect long-wearing look. So this one, just watch that. You know what? They're right. It is very pigmented. It is very pigmented, easy to apply, and does not drag or pull at all. And it's a very dark coffee brown. We're not going to say the shade name. It is a very dark coffee brown. And I think it'll suit my skin tone as well. Now, this one is full-sized as well. So far, we've seen 3 full-size products in this beauty box already. And there's more to come. The next one is not full-sized. It is 25 ml of product. This is your Jura Rice Facial Cleanser, deluxe-sized. Soften and cleanse skin in one simple step. This is sulfate-free. Lightly foaming cleanser melts away dirt, oil and makeup without stripping skin, leaving you refreshed and revitalized. It is cruelty-free, 100% vegetarian, free of parabens, phthalates and harsh ingredients. So, cleanser junkie here. I have a cleanser wardrobe, and we'll be looking forward to trying this one out as well. Now, for whatever weird reason, I missed the first product that was listed in the product card, which just proves that I have brain melt most of the time. This is also full size. So 4 full-size products in here, and they only promised 3 full sizes. So this was also, given out as a spoiler before the box was launched. This is from 100% Pure, and this is the Coffee Bean Caffeine Eye Cream for dark circles and puffiness. 30 mils, my God, that's a huge eye cream then. Because usually eye creams come in 15 or 10 mils, 10 mil tubes. This is 30 mils, that's a lot of product. And this is also gluten-free and cruelty-free, anti-inflammatory, caffeine-rich, green tea and green coffee depuff, while increasing circulation to bright and dark circles. Concentrated with potent anti-aging elements, antioxidants, and nourishing rosehip oil to make the eye area more awake and youthful. No sulfates, harsh detergents, chemical preservatives, synthetics, artificial fragrances, or other toxins. Right. The word toxin is something that, I'm not a huge fan of. I mean, anything can be toxic. But I don't think this contains anything that my skin can't tolerate. Either rosehip oil, vitamin C, green tea extract, vitamin E, aloe vera juice, rosemary leaf, oregano leaf, thyme extract, golden vanilla extract, and candela wax. So, right, I will be enjoying using this. I'm always on the lookout for a good eye cream. And I've never found my holy grail eye cream yet. Hopefully this one will be it. Now, lastly, there is a bonus product, as I told you, bonus item, that you get only if you use a code. I have given you a code that you can use. It is Renu, RENU_kinder, all capitals, RENU_kinder. Renu happens to be my name. In case you didn't know what I was called, my name is not Cosmetopia Digest. Now, this product is pure vegan B12 oral spray, and this is 1 ounce, and it retails at $20, $19.95. Now, vitamin B12 is a product that vegans often don't really get from their diets, because it is apparently made by microbes that inhabit the soil. And so when animals eat the grass that grows in that soil, they ingest some of those microbes as well, and they have vitamin B12. So if you eat animal products or just consume dairy, that's an animal product as well, then you get B12. Vegans don't, or plant-based lifers don't get B12. So they often resort to nutritional yeast, as I'm doing. Nutritional yeast is brilliant. It's, I don't know, I put it on everything really. Anyway, so this is a B12 spray. It's a supplementary spray. B12 is an essential vitamin that your body needs but cannot produce. Given vitamin B12's role in cell production, adequate levels are needed to promote healthy hair, skin and nails. This spray is more effective than other sprays as it is the most absorbable form of B12, that is methylcobalamin. The ingredient list is very, very small. It's the B12, obviously, purified water, glycerin, vegetarian glycerin, and potassium sorbate as a preservative. That's all there in it. Plastic bottle, not glass. So that is the first kind of beauty box, and it contained 4 full-sized products. I think the B12 is also full-sized. Yes, 5 full-sized products and just the 1 not full-size, deluxe-sized product, the Jura cleanser. Also, there were 2 makeup products. I wasn't expecting 2 makeup products. I was expecting more skincare, but makeup is good. I would love to see more, vegan mascara and things like that in forthcoming boxes. Now, we have a spoiler February, so there will be a Della Organics mask, a clay mask for the face. And I'm a huge fan of clay masks. I can't get enough clay masks. Oily here, acne prone here. Clay mask is all that my face wants. So I would also love to see more, not just US vegan brands such as Pi and eCooking and Antipodes and Evolve Beauty and Audacite and Hourglass and so on in forthcoming boxes. Obviously, I expect there to be offer very soon. We'll see. More spoilers will be released as and when they turn up, I suppose, in February. And if you live outside of the US, it could take up to 10 days. In my book, in my experience, it's taken 10 days, 7 working days, 10 days. If you live elsewhere around the globe, I'm not sure how long shipping is going to take, but shipping is $2 and $2.50, I think. And the box is, I'm on a 3-month subscription now, and the box for me cost $22 plus $2.50 as postage. So that was, I think, about 24-ish per box. That's not so bad per month, And you get 5 full-size products. I don't think they will have a bonus item every month. This is just with your first box, and you need to use the code to get the bonus item. Disclosure, you don't get a discount with the code. You only get a bonus item with the code. On my next bill, however, if you use my code, I may get a discount off my next bill when I buy the box. I think I will, because it's worth it, definitely. 5 full sizes including the bonus, 4 full sizes, otherwise wasn't expecting that. And everything in this box I will and can and shall be using. Nothing here that I need to pass on. The eyeshadow, absolute stunning. The makeup chosen, both products usable. And the skincare, obviously, very appealing to the skincare junkie in me. And I would have loved to receive an autograph or signed letter, note from Evanna Lynch, Luna Lovegood and Harry Potter. So if somebody from Kinda is watching this, I would love to have Evanna Lynch's autograph. Anyway, so I will be showing you the February box probably in March, because by the time it ships, that will be Feb end and Feb mid, and there are only 28 days of February. So by the time it gets here, and by the time I record and edit and everything, it may be the first week of March by the time you see the box, but I will be showing you the February box, so do stay tuned for that. I really liked this box, and I think it's nicer than Look Fantastic in terms of curation, in terms of size, and I also love that everything is eco-friendly, repurposable, repurposed, recycled, and cruelty-free and vegan. One of my resolutions is to be more conscious with my beauty usage and my daily usage as well of products, not just beauty products, any consumable really. And this box goes a long way in my journey towards that goal. And although I'm plant-based diet-wise now, I want to be plant-based lifestyle-wise as well eventually. So this is great. I'm very happy to discover that there is vegan and cruelty-free makeup out there that is doe cream and looks like that. I'd love to see more eyeshadows, definitely. Got to explore more from Inika, right? I think they sell on Fuel Inika. So, what are your thoughts on this box? Will you be subscribing? Are you interested in vegan and cruelty-free makeup? Did you think it was worth $24? And will you be, are interested if there's a bonus item to go as well. And do you prefer skincare or makeup in your beauty boxes? Do tell me all of that in the comments box below. I look forward to reading your thoughts. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please do hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.